I almost quit manifestation completely. It stopped feeling magical. It started feeling like homework. And obviously we're always manifesting, so I mean conscious manifestation. Every affirmation felt forced, every visualization felt fake, and I realized I wasn't excited anymore. There were so many rules. There were so many, you can't do this, you have to do this. You have to script 400 times a day. You have to repeat it 87,000 times a day. You have to make sure that you keep your vibes high at all times. It was like, oh my gosh! I accidentally changed one tiny thing and suddenly manifestation became something that I couldn't wait to do again. And in this video, I'll be sharing that one change and help you manifest the life you've always dreamed of. Let me know if this sounds like you. You're constantly tracking angel numbers. You're looking for signs all day, trying to script your life away, turning your dream into a to-do list. And you're not living. You're waiting around. Somewhere along the way, we forgot how to play. Manifestation should feel like creating your own movie. You know, you're the director, and you're also acting in it, and you're also the script writer. These are the things that made manifestation feel magical again. Number 1, romanticizing everything. Buying fruit, coffee, lighting a candle, music, tiny adventures. This causes you, your soul, your nervous system, whatever you want to call it, to start expecting beauty within your life. Start expecting good things because you're already creating it. So you don't always have to try to outsource beauty and harmony because you're never going to. If you feel like the only way for some other source to come show you something is beautiful, you're never going to see it. You need to see the beauty within the things that are around you right now. This is also really fun. Number 2, stop manifesting and start world building. Like literally, pretend like you're a freaking creative director, okay? Get that Pinterest out. Mood boards, character playlists. Like I feel like the more involved you are, the better it'll be. Like what version of me that I'm trying to be, what type of music would I listen to? Yeah, make that playlist. Plan your outfits. Oh my gosh. I'm the future version. I'm the CEO of me. Let me plan an outfit that way. Let me get that blazer out. Yeah, let me buy a little something. Why not? You're no longer asking and begging and pleading for something else to change, and you're designing it firsthand. Another way you can release pressure is with games. Gamify everything. Manifestation bingo. If you want a video on that, let me know. Lucky girl challenges, a future self scavenger hunt. It's fun. Like you can be like, okay, universe, I'm gonna see a green piece of cheese today. Watch that. Go through your life. Oh my gosh, I just found a green piece of cheese. Like this should really feel, because all of this is basically a video game, so treat it like one. Number 4, become a main character. And when I say this, I'm serious. People throw this around too much, but I'm so serious. Like, film yourself, narrate your walks, cook prettier meals, dress differently, hold yourself in a high regard, and so will everything around you. It will literally form itself in reflection of you. Take yourself out on dates. Make manifestation become a lifestyle instead of a one-off ritual, okay? Okay. Number 5, you'll naturally start doing this because it just happens all the time, but stop looking for evidence. That's never fun. That's really where we get caught up when we're like, oh my gosh, this isn't showing up. Oh my gosh, this is taking too long. Oh my gosh, is this actually working? I remember when I decided to do this manifestation challenge and manifest a trip to Disneyland, which I'll put the video up here. I literally stopped looking for signs and evidence because it started forming around me everywhere. Everyone on my Instagram was posting that they were at Disneyland. I had people wearing Disneyland sweatshirts around me. I would hear Disney music. Like it just was strange. Once I just let that go and I literally sat there and engulfed myself, there is no choice. There's no choice if you're constantly engulfing yourself in something. The only thing that can happen is for it to show up for you. The biggest thing that brought the magic back to manifestation wasn't that I was getting better at manifesting. It was me becoming the person that enjoyed life before the thing arrived. For the next 7 days, don't try to manifest anything per se. Just try to focus on making your life feel 10% more magical. Listen to movie soundtracks. Eat dessert first. Dress like your future self. Then come back in the comments and let me know what happened. Because I know it's going to be great things. Make sure you subscribe so you can be part of this magical family. I love you so, so much. And that's that on that. Mwah, mwah.